Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on payment processing with Square, full guide step by step clearly. To save on payment processing with Square, start by understanding your business needs. Assess the volume of transactions your business processes monthly. Determine the average transaction size. Research Square's pricing structure. Square typically charges a flat percentage for every transaction. Consider any additional fees for instant transfer services. Evaluate the benefits of using Square's hardware for in-person sales. Select the right card reader that matches your sales process. Compare the overall cost of using Square with other payment processors. Look out for any hidden fees that may apply, such as chargebacks. Explore Square's chargeback protection options to minimize losses. Utilize Square's invoicing features to streamline online payments. Encourage customers to pay through invoices rather than cards to save on processing fees. Incorporate Square's loyalty program to reward repeat customers. This might increase customer retention and drive more sales. Consider using Square's integrated e-commerce solutions if relevant. This can reduce the need for third-party integrations, lowering costs. Utilize analytics tools provided by Square to track payment trends. Analyzing these trends can inform your future financial decisions. Monitor your transactions regularly for errors or discrepancies. This can help you catch potential issues before they escalate. Implement a payment policy to encourage faster payment from customers. Faster payments can improve cash flow and reduce processing fees. Communicate any changes in payment methods clearly to your customers. Consider the option of passing on processing fees to customers. Evaluate your costs regularly to identify areas for potential savings. Stay informed about updates in Square's services or fees. By being proactive, you can continuously optimize your payment processing strategy with Square. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.